My name's Professor Andy Neely and I'm head of the Institute for Manufacturing. So manufacturing firms today have a real challenge. They're awash with data. They can measure thousands of things. You can measure your financial performance, the level of customer service you deliver, how innovative you're being, how well your staff are engaged, levels of product quality, inventory, and so on. The challenge is, how do I choose from all of those possible key performance indicators the critical few that really reflect the organization's strategy and that will drive the right behavior inside the organization? So the reason that getting the right performance measures matters for organisations, I think there are three things really. The first is that by choosing metrics, you're sending signals to people inside your organisation about what success looks like. You're saying to people, these are the priorities for the organisation. Clearly, by sending those signals, by selecting those metrics, you're also influencing the behaviour of people inside the organisation, and you're affecting the sorts of choices, the decisions and actions that they take. And fundamentally, delivering a strategy in an organisation is all about taking particular decisions and pursuing particular courses of action. So what you have to do is design a set of measures or choose a set of measures that drive the right behaviour to encourage people to take the right decisions, so you end up delivering the strategy that you set out to deliver. Many manufacturing organisations get that wrong. They end up measuring things that drive inappropriate behaviours that then people get frustrated by. But actually, we as leaders of organisations choose these metrics. We design these systems. And so thinking more carefully about the choice of KPIs, their behavioural consequences, and the implications for strategy is a fundamental issue for firms. In the general area of measurement, a massive trend at the moment is the whole evolution of big data and analytics. So more and more organisations are capturing more and more data through their IT systems, by connecting their products to the internet. And so actually most organisations are awash with data these days. And I think that's part of what I'd call today's measurement crisis. The crisis in many firms is that we end up just measuring too much, partly because it's easy with just the volume of data that's coming back. So being strategic, being thoughtful about what really matters to the organisation is both a critical issue. It's becoming in some ways more difficult just because of the fact we have so much data. The Institute for Manufacturing runs a big series of research programs on measurement generally, on performance measurement and strategy. We run open programs on this topic where we'll talk about our latest research findings, and indeed on the IFM website there's a lot of material about performance measurement and how you might measure what matters.